Donald Trump was asked about one of these foreigners, a lawmaker named Ilhan Omar. There's very strong evidence that she committed immigration fraud. She's certainly a communist who, by her own admission, is loyal to Somalia, not the United States. And here's how Trump responded.
You know, I met the head of Somalia. Did you know that? And I suggested that maybe he'd like to take her back. He said, I don't want her. Okay, what else?
Sometimes you can accuse Donald Trump of, maybe embellishing a bit. You can say that he exaggerates at times for effect. This is not one of those times, and we all know it. He asked the president of Somalia to take Ilhan Omar back. He's been publicly requesting that they take her back for a very long time. And he said they don't want her, which was a predictable response. I mean, there's a reason that the main export of Somalia is Somalis. The only dubious part of the story is that there's actually a president of Somalia. I had to look that one up. Apparently they do have one. It's not just like a warlord. He really has the title of president, so that's something. In any event, there's also a very good reason at this point to end Somali immigration to this country completely, regardless of what the president of Somalia says. They're openly flouting our laws. They're stealing taxpayer money that's intended for public schools and autism treatment and food banks and so on. They're generally not particularly impressive people or intelligent. The average IQ in Somalia is something like 70. Them's the facts. Okay. It's just what it is. And it's a similar story in most of these failed third world states.